What's up everybody, how you doing today? We have a great unboxing video today for you. This is a special unboxing. This is the Find X3 from Oppo, and this phone is really amazing. Let me just open up the box and see what we have. I'm gonna do a series of videos, so check out the playlist, subscribe, hit the likes, and let's take a look. This is the phone. Let's take the phone out right here, and let me just this. Okay, let's take a look at the phone straight away. There we go. This phone looks amazing, guys. Now this is called the mocha color. It has a leather texture to it, and the textures are actually feels like it's a real leather. Very nice, smooth to the touch. As you can see here, this is metal. It curves on the sides and it goes to the top. Here we have antennas, the power button over here, and here's the camera, triple camera, or I think 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. 4 cameras in the back. Very beautiful design and colors, man. Oppo actually did a great job making this phone. I mean, it feels also very familiar for me, because what I do, I use the Realme X2 Pro here. I use it for around maybe 2 years and a half. But this phone, it feels the same. It's the same aspect ratio, the same feel, same design. This one though, the Oppo, is a little bit curved on the sides. You see these small curves here? Yep. So there's some curves, but you still have these edges on the side that feels great when you hold it. So it won't actually hurt this phone so much. Like, look at this, and look at the camera, how they actually, man, it looks really great. It looks really amazing, and the weight, it feels way lower weight than the Realme X2 Pro, to be honest with you. I think the weight is 193 grams, which is really amazing, man. And it has a 4500 milliamp battery with a 65-watt charger, VOOC charger, I think. And this screen, look at this colors. This is 10-bit color screen, by the way. So let's put the phone on the side a little bit. It comes with a warranty card. Oh, by the way, this is the Chinese version, just so you know. Okay, so this is the case that comes with it. It's looks good, looks high quality, and it has some little bit of creased edges on the side, which is a good sign. I'm gonna drop a video on the case afterward. Now it comes in the box, a couple of things. And this box, they didn't cheap out on the box. They did a great job. USB Type-C charging, the power brick here. Let's take a look at this power brick. And what we have, I think it's 100 volt, 100 watts, 50 watts, 1.8 amp, 5 amp, 10 volt, 6.5 amp. Yeah, this is the VOOC supercharge. Is a supercharge called, or what? I think it's the VOOC 65-watt charger. It doesn't say anything here, but the description. It also comes with the headphones. It's a headphones, guys. Look at this. And I like this design. I prefer this design over any type of designs. Let's check out the cables. Cables are okay. It feels like an iPhone cable. Now, is it a Type-C? Because it doesn't have a headphone jack. I hope it's a Type-C type of phone. And it's a Type-C. Yep, Type-C headphones. Great job. It's a great job. Let's put it back. So we have ourselves Type-C headphones, and a great packaging, to be honest with you. Very they take care of the looks and the way they package their stuff here with Oppo. So this is not just a piece of stuff. There's actually paperwork inside, as you can see. Quick start guide. There's a lot of stickers also. I don't know why they have these stickers here. That doesn't matter. Looks what does matter, right? But this phone is not just about the looks. This is about the performance, It's about the camera performance. It's about the feel. It's about everything. It has the Snapdragon 870, so it's not the 888. This is the one, the downgraded processor, and it's the only change in this phone. That's it. You have a big drop in price, and you have a little bit drop in performance, but you still get a great 5G phone that works. By the way, if you're Saudi Arabia, it works with the 5G with STC. So yeah, that's a good sign. So yeah, this is the Poco X3. Sorry, X3. This is Poco Find X3 unboxing. Let's see you in other videos.